In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Vantage in Tradingview. If you're familiar with Tradingview, you know it's a powerful platform for traders, offering everything from detailed charts to various integrations. Today, we'll focus on the integration with Vantage. This process is simple and straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step clearly. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Tradingview website. Take a moment to log in if you haven't already. It's important to ensure you are on the Tradingview platform so you're ready for the next steps. Once you're logged into Tradingview, you'll want to look for supercharts. This feature is one of the core components of Tradingview that allows you to dive into detailed chart analysis. Find and click on supercharts to access this feature. Here you'll be able to take advantage of Tradingview's full suite of charting tools, which are essential for performing technical analysis. Next, direct your attention to the bottom of the supercharts page, where you'll find the trading panel option. Clicking on this will expand the panel, revealing several trading features and integration options that Tradingview has to offer. The trading panel is your gateway to connecting with various brokers, including Vantage. After expanding the trading panel, you will notice an option labeled Show All Brokers. Go ahead and click on this. This step is crucial as it displays a comprehensive list of all the broker connections available via Tradingview. By expanding this list, you ensure you can find and connect to the broker you need. In this next step, you'll need to find Vantage in the list of brokers. Given the number of brokers supported by Tradingview, it might take a moment to locate, but take your time. Scroll through the list until you spot Vantage. This broker is a popular choice for many traders due to its wide range of services and helpful tools. Once you have located Vantage, it's time for the final step, connecting to it. Clicking on Vantage will prompt you to establish a connection. If this is your first time connecting, you might be prompted to enter your Vantage account credentials to authenticate and authorize the connection. Ensure you have your details handy to seamlessly complete this step. And there you have it. Following these instructions, you've successfully connected Vantage to Tradingview, allowing you to streamline your trading experience. This integration enables you to execute trades and monitor your portfolios, all from within the Tradingview platform. Remember, a well-integrated trading setup allows you to focus on making informed decisions. Happy trading!